Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you save a road on Apple Maps? And yes, you can save it. You need to create a custom road. So let's do this. Open Apple Maps, then you need to write destination, just select it on the map. After that, click at the three dots at the bottom and select Create Custom Road. You can create some stops. Let's say this one by press and hold at the location. And let's add the third one. We did it. Now click Save Road. Give it a name. Then check mark, and as you saw, we had download road. Now we need to wait a bit. We have it. Now you can find this road if you click at the profile icon at the right side, move to the places, and here we have roads. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!